Go in front. Yep.
Damn! Put it down.
Thank you for calling Source Authority. How can I help you?
Hi, I just have a question. Oh, sorry. Do you have any Mexican football jerseys?
We do not. What are you looking for?
I think it's like, Chivas.
Chivas? You probably try, I would say, what's the name of the place? Shoot, I'm trying to remember. Either Kelly Sports or, Angelo Soccer Corner?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's your best bet to try, Angelo's. They're the only ones that would carry, like, stuff like that in national teams.
Yeah, I understand. I'm sorry. So you don't have any?
No, we don't have any in store at all.
Okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.